Proceeded with satisfaction. The examinations part of the complementary study in management has found that foreign students passed this program. These students are awarded the academic degree of complementary study in management and are entitled to the degree of master in management. Foreign students are awarded the degree with a pass op voldoende wijze. Ding Aila, Gao Yin Yin, Shu Meng, Tong Jun Ruij. Sorry if I mispronounced the name. Su Wen Yang, Yang Yin Bao, Zhu Yuan Yuan. Congratulations to you all and all success with your future career. So far, the announcement of conclusions drawn by the examinations board. Nu gaan we over tot de proclamatie van de studenten van de postacademische vorming bedrijfskunde. De examencommissie van de postacademische vorming bedrijfskunde